spend the evening pretending it wasn't that deep. You could see in my eyes that it was taking over. I guess I was just blind and caught up in the moment. You know you take all of my stress right down. Help me get it off my chest and out into the ether with the rest of this mess that just keeps us depressed. We forget that we're here right now, cause we're living life at a different pace, stuck in a constant race. Keep the pressure on, you're bound to break. Something's got to change. We should just be cancelling all our plans and not give a damn if we're missing out on what the people think is right. Seeing through a picture behind a screen and forget to be. Lose the conversation for the message that you'll never read. I think maybe you and me, oh, we should head out to the place where the music plays, and then we'll go all night, two-stepping with a woman I love. All my troubles turning up, and when I'm in your eyes, electrified. We'll keep turning up and go all night. And we had dips and falls in our time, but we know what it feels to be low then up, alone then love. And all we need is us to go all night, night, two-stepping with a woman I love. Night, yeah, all we need is us.
Chefin, uma Lamborghini preta você vem, porque andar na minha Mercedes Benz. Eu sou tão novo enriquecendo os bem. Olha o relógio, tem um Rolex Day. Pisando fofo, tem um Jordan que é tão raro. E tu olha pra quem? Eu fui de cara no teu colo e tu me fez refém. Agora olha a madrugada, bem. Não é o mesmo longe de você. Olhando o tempo eu pude perceber que algumas coisas tem que se esquecer. Tava bolando umas coisas pensando no futuro, mandei mensagem pra saber de tudo. Só que no fundo se dava um duro pra poder explicar tudo que eu senti através da passagem, pedindo um trocado pra ficar na par e vou continuar.
We'll go all night, two-stepping with a woman I love. All my troubles standing up, and when I'm in your eyes, electrified. We'll keep turning up